Hey.
I'm finding it really easy.
Nice. But alright.
Alright, I'm gonna try and get luck. A sky? Chat? That's a good sky.
Jackpot. Give me another like trillion thing.
Something good. Come on, go.
1 in 47 billion. 1 in 47 billion. 1 in 47 billion. 1 in 47 billion. Another UFO. That's good. I need full UFOs, bro. I just took the jackpot.
Why did you get so full like that? That's good. See the luck? I want some super luck around.
Jackpot. Give us a jackpot. Magician fruit? What the shit? What is this? Oh my god! It's 28k!
That sucks.
No, that's really good. That's the best fruit in the game, bro. I'm not even joking.
Wait, it's only 28k.
No, but that's good for a fruit. 1 in 307 billion. 1 in 307 billion astral huge bomb, bro.
I want the magician fruit. Where is it?
Magician fruit.
Is it any good?
Yeah, it's one of the best fruits in the game, I think. I got 4 million. I got 4.5 million luck. I have 4.5 million luck.
I only have 700.
Oh, alright.
I don't see my
Alright, jackpot.
Oh! These ones do not magician fires.
Huge. Hey! That's quite good. I'll take that.
I don't have any food. I don't have any food.
Get some then, bro. Inverted. Oh my god. 1 in 2 billion. So bad.
Why is the wing from the sky? It just fell from the sky. Inverted active bottom. I'll take this. Just do columns.
Oh, columns. There. Columns. 3? 3? Oh, because it was +2. Give us like 5 more columns. That would be good. Lux Antics. Nice. 1.7 million luck. Nice.
Loki. I might reverse.
Oh my god. Just rebirth.
I can't. I need a couple.
When you can rebirth.
Do it.
Bam.
I can reverse.
Yeah, do
I
it,
can
do it.
reverse in any country.
Okay.
Oh, bonus! Oh. It's fine. Come on. Man, we need to be the minions now. I only take minions. Something good. Something good.
Jack.
Come on. I'll take over. Feed it.
That's good. I'll take it. Shut up, Spotify. Oh my god, bro.
I want another magician free.
I want like 7 more. 3, 2.
I'll take another inverted. Inverted was nice.
Peak. Hudson, that's like the times 2 times 3 times 4 luck things.
Oh! This one actually good. I'll take it. Another shiny.
That's good. Lola's missing out on a lot, bro.
What do you mean he's missing out?
Because he's not on call. That's actually technical. I like that. It's only 4 billion. I'll take it.
1 in 12 minutes. Oh, I'll take another pizza. I like big ornaments. Something